Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can reduce photo quality in Google Photos. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Photos, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find photos, memories, library, and lastly, search. Here in the top right corner of your screen, you're gonna find your profile icon. If you click on it, right here you're gonna find your currently used account. Here you're gonna find the option to back up to a different account. Right here you're gonna find your account storage. Here you're gonna find the option to free up some space, your data in Google Photos, photo settings, and lastly help and feedback. So go ahead and click on photo settings. Once you do that, you're gonna be right here in this page. So basically, guys, once you're here, you're gonna find in your settings, backup, notifications, preferences, sharing, apps and devices, and lastly, privacy. So go ahead and click on backup. Once you click on backup, you're gonna be right here in this page. So once here, go ahead and scroll a little bit down. And here in the bottom under settings, you're going to find backup quality, mobile data usage, and backup device folders. Go ahead and click on backup quality. And then once you're here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find two options, original quality and storage saver. Here, if you click on original quality, you're going to be able to back up with no change to quality. And if you choose Storage Saver, store more at a slightly reduced quality. So if you want to reduce the quality, click on Storage Saver and then click on Select, and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.